Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to change text color in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I start using Photopea, and then I go to new project to create a new project. I will use YouTube thumbnail, and then click create to create a new project. I press Ctrl+0 to view it. Next, we can go to Add Text. We can go to the left toolbar. We can find Type Tool. Click and hold. We can find Vertical Type Tool and Type Tool. I will use Type Tool. And then we can click on the Art box. For example, I type text color. This is quite small. I select all the text by Ctrl+A. And then go to top toolbar. We can find size and we can increase it. And I move it here. There are two options to change text color. The first option, make sure that we select the text color layer, and then we can go to character, and then we can find the black box, click it, and then we can change the color here. This is the first option. The second option, we can activate the type tool again, and then we can select all the text, or we can select parts of the text. And then we can go to the top toolbar. We can change the text color here. For example, I change to red and then press OK to apply it. So we can change the text color in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video.